Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. Today class will continue with data types. So in the previous class we have learned integer data types. Today we learn floating point data types. So let us start the topic floating point data types. So what is floating point data types? So floating point data types is of three types: float, double, long double. So float, double, long double. So let us discuss one by one data type. So float data type, first one. So float data type allows a variable to store real number or fractional numbers, nothing but decimal numbers. Integer type will not store the decimal numbers. It stores only integer numbers like 1, 2, 3. Point values it will not store. But which data type will store point values means floating point data types will store point values, decimal values or real numbers or fractional numbers. So float keyword is used to represent fractional number or real number. Next, float data type size is 4 bytes. Its size is 4 bytes. So it occupies 4 bytes of memory. Next, float is a single precision data type. So here float is the single precision data type. Means what? It displays 6 digits after decimal point. After decimal point, it will store 6 digits. Let's see the example. You can see float is the data type, A is the variable. So in the A we can store decimal values or real numbers or fractional. Simply if you write a 10, it is considered as integer. But 10.124511, these are the decimal values. After point, float will store only 6 digits. So let us see here. See 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digits it will store. One more point. Integer will store only integer values, but float will store both integer and floating point values. So this is about float data type. Next, double data type. Same, it is also used to store real number or fractional number. We use the double keyword to represent the fractional numbers or real numbers. Next, double data type size occupies 8 bytes. Float will occupy 4 bytes. Double will occupy 8 bytes. Double is the double precision data type. Means it will display 15 digits after decimal point. So it will display 15 digits after decimal point. Float will display only 6 digits. Example, can see double A. A is equal to 10 point. So 15 digits you can display. So this is about double data type. Next, long double data type. Same, long double data type allows a variable to store real numbers or fractional numbers. Long double keyword is used to represent fractional numbers or real numbers. Next, double data type size, long double, it is long double data type size is 10 bytes. Float will occupy 4 bytes. Double will occupy 8 bytes. Long double will occupy 10 bytes. So long double is also a double precision data type, means it occupies 19 digits after decimal point. So float will occupy 6 digits. long will occupy 15 digits, long double will occupy 19 digits. So float will occupy 6 digits, double will occupy 15 digits, long double will occupy 19 digits. See the example, like this we'll declare. So these are the floating point data types. What are they? Float, double, long, double. So next we'll see the floating point sizes and value ranges with their precisions. So first, float occupies 4 byte. So we know 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. So 4 into 8 will get 32 bits. And its value range is this, and it can store 16 decimal places. Next, double, its size is 4 bytes. So 8 into 8, 64 bits, and the range is this. So to know the range or to calculate the range, you can watch the previous video, that is size and range and limits topic. Then you'll understand very clearly how to calculate the range. And coming to here, double will occupy, so we'll store 15 decimal places. Next, long double size is 10 byte, and its size in bits, so 10 into 8, 80 bits, and its value range is this, and precision, it can store 19 decimal places. So this is the topic about floating point data types. Thank you.